Friday! Happy Friday! Let's celebrate some Lexia and Gigi. Awesome work that you guys have been doing. Let's start with Gigi. Ooh, this is really good. So remember, friends, if you have some time, some minutes that you've spent on Gigi, but you do not have any puzzles, that means you're stuck. And if you're stuck, you can come to the 9-10 time on Thursdays and get some help. So Vanessa and Andrea, I want you guys to be there next Thursday. Great job, Aniela. You have 185 puzzles. That is so cool. Great job, Isabella, Diego, Emery. You guys all have almost 50 or more puzzles, and that is rock star. Great job, Navian. Gael has 127 puzzles. Sammy has 106 puzzles. Wow, you guys have been working so hard this week. Ariana has 84 puzzles. Kenan has 114 puzzles. Rock stars all around. And on Lexia, we've got Diego, who got 29 units. That's almost three times his goal of 10 units. Sammy got 25 units. Anieli got 19. Kevin got 14. Gael got 14. Edwin got 12. Isabella got 10. Great job, guys. And Gabriel, you're only 1 unit away from making your goal, so make sure you do that today. You too, Luis. I'm really watching you guys because you're really close to meeting your goal. We also had a certificate today that was from Kevin. Kevin passed level 6. Whoop, whoop. Great job, Kevin. And I want to talk about the friends who have done such a great job and are not missing any assignment. So if it's green, that means that you've done that assignment. So great job, Andrea, for doing all of your assignments. Great job, Valeria. Great job, Isabella. Emery, awesome work. Awesome job, Karen. I love to see when there's no missing assignments. And remember, if it's green, like Raul, great job. Ariana, great job. Uriel, awesome work. Misalia, great job. That means that you can always go back, great job, Emery, and redo any assignments that might be missing or that you feel like you didn't do a good job on. So after your whole thing, after the whole Google form, you might be like, oh, geez, 1 out of 13. That's no bueno. That's no good at all. And you can go back and do it again. And I actually saw a lot of friends doing that on Wednesday for our quiz. They did their whole quiz and then they thought, I think I could do better. So they did the quiz again. And let's look at who did it again. The quiz that you guys did on Wednesday about the value of 10 ones, 10 tens, 10 hundreds, finding the place value discs, you guys did such a good job. Specifically, some friends saw that they only got 5 right out of 7, so they went back and they did it again to get more right. And one of those friends was Andres. So great job, Andres, for doing it 2 times to really help you grow your brain. Uriel, both and Karen were all 3 friends who went back and did their quiz again to get even better grades. And I have 2 friends who I want to shout out for getting 100% getting all their questions correct. And those 2 friends are Sammy and our other friend is Navian. So great job, Sammy and Navian. Give some silent celebration. Great work, guys. Keep on working on all the awesome things you guys are doing and have a great weekend. I will see you guys Monday. Love you.